So let me share to you my screen. Okay, so here we go. So Riway International is based in Singapore, okay? And the product is manufactured in New Zealand. We only want health product. And right now, I'm going to share to you the 6 P's of Riway International. Of course, we have people. So this is actually the not updated, okay, the not updated slides that I have, but I'm going to share it to you. Okay, this is the core management when Riway International just started very early in the year of 2008. Okay, so 2008, Riway International started in Singapore, and we have our CEO, Mr. Lim Boon Hong. Okay, now he is considered as the Bill Gates of Asia. All right. Now, aside from him, okay, he hired, okay, he invited, okay, a lady who is also a successful entrepreneur, not only in Malaysia, but in Southeast Asia. And she is Claudia Ong. She is actually right now the vice president for the in the finance department, in the what do you call this? The senior vice president of Riway International. And with her also is another vice president, okay? She is Miss IVC. She is into operations. She is into operations, and she is also one of the outstanding entrepreneur, not only in Malaysia but in Southeast Asia. And of course, another, okay, our Dato Kenny Wong, okay, the third vice president or the senior director of Riway International. He is into business development. So he handles in that department. And here in Riway International, the trainers are the core management, the top leaders, the CEO himself. So this photo was taken in 2020 in February in Kuala Lumpur, one of the headquarters in Riway in Malaysia. Okay, right now there are 16 headquarters and offices, combination of offices and headquarters in Riway, Malaysia. So in this auditorium, you call that, there are 1,003 people who were there, and I was one of the 1,003 people. Okay, during the time there were only very few, okay, Pegasus,
Wow.
Cream, like that, and that's why they still can accommodate the Diamond 3 stars. I was Diamond 3 stars during the time, and I was still chosen, okay, to join in the training of the new distributors orientation whole day by our CEO. Now, this is my favorite quotation from our CEO. He said that, set the man right and the whole world will be right. That is from our CEO, Mr. Lim Boon Hong. Now, aside from the core management, our business development all over the world, in each country, although we are fast growing, especially in the Philippines, they are trying so hard, okay, to train their new hired people so that it can accommodate all the needs of the members. So in last year, in our 6th year in Riway Philippines, there are already 1 million officially member of Philippines, of Riway Philippines. And right now we're going to have 10 offices for this year.
Zamisi, 10 officers of Filipini
10 offices this year. And okay, and the staff of the Riway Philippines is not really enough. So aside from that, we have a team, we have a direct sponsor who can, okay, help us with who can help us with our business here in Riway. Because remember, here in Riway, we don't sell the product, but rather we invite people to when they buy the product, it comes always with the membership. Now the next P, okay, that we are also enjoying in Reway International is the platform. This platform refers to the company. So as you know that Reway International started from scratch, started from zero. Even the CEO himself, he was the one who cut all the boxes of our first edition. Okay, even the logo of our Reway, he was the one who really cut it by himself. Everything started from, he is a hands-on CEO. So it is a Singapore-based company, and the objective of this company is to help people, especially those who cannot afford hospital medication and illness, those who have no hope anymore because of their sickness, like that. And yeah, the company made it as a networking MLM. They call that multi-level marketing, for the purpose that people can afford the product. Because if the company is not an MLM, is not a networking, then PureCheer is in the drugstores, okay? Maybe doctors are selling this, or hospitals are selling this, and then that is for sure a very expensive product. So with this way, in this way, people who, okay, can understand and accept, okay, the culture of Reway, can understand that Reway purpose for setting up the company is to help actually millions of people in every country. Okay, that's their goal. Next, this is how we started. This is actually the first office in Singapore, okay, in a far side. It's like a province of Singapore, okay. It's in the last metro of Singapore. And then right now we already have a headquarters in Bedok. Bedok is a kind of, it's almost in the heart of the Singapore, okay, and that is a huge building there owned by Reway International. So you see, and this is the first edition of PureCheer with 30 capsule only, not 60 but 30 capsule. And take note that the company started with 38 bottles. 38 bottles, okay, and they tested this, all of the core management, including CEO, plus the 18 young pharmaceutical in Singapore, plus few people who bought PureCheer in 38 bottles, because that is the only bottle, that is the only thing that they can afford, only to manufacture 38 bottles. Because the company during the time, okay, the CEO, okay, Stanley firm not to hire or accept investors for reasons that when there are no investors, only him and the core management who truly embrace the culture of the company, who put their heart to Reway International, they can perform whatever they want. Okay, they can do whatever they want without asking the ideas or opinion of the investors. So how painful they started, okay, with these 38 bottles, because as I've said, that is the only thing that they can afford when they started. So our product, okay, even here in the Philippines, in India, in Dubai, there are so many stem cell products, okay, so many stem cells product that like horse stem cell, sheep stem cell, all kinds of stem cells product from Australia, stem cell product from Japan, even human stem cells and all. So when people would ask us, your product is so expensive, way expensive compared to this. So this is our product. Why our product has this kind of price? So first, okay, the effect of the product. First thing, Reway International, okay, is a research and development company. It does not manufacture another product for cancer. another product for broken bones, another product for for people who have dialysis, and also the effect of our product, since it is a live stem cell, it regenerates and repair new cells. So a person only need pure cheer, one product for all her body damage. Okay, so the product lifespan, because of the modern technologies, is up to 3 to 4 years. It means that's the expiration, because that's the lifespan of our live cell, dear stem cells inside the capsule. Okay, so next is the high price. Okay, right now we know that in so many countries, okay, stem cells is really modern. Not only through injections, but also there are so many stem cells. They call themselves stem cells in a form of tablet, in a form of capsule, and so on. So our product actually is 10 or rather 90%, okay, cheaper compared to stem cell injections. In the Philippines, there are so many nurses. We talked to them. They said they are injecting in stem cells. Nurses, doctors, even the hospitals are offering stem cells, but they don't know what is stem cell. They don't know what kind of stem cells they are injecting. So we asked them, what stem cells are you injecting? They don't know. They said that it's just like a vitamins. Like they said, oh, there are so many inside the stem cell, like this herbs, vitamins, and so on. So we said, how can you say that this bunch of ingredients inside the injection, you call it stem cell? Okay, that's why we must help explain to these people that stem cell stem cell come from the combination of sperm cell and ovum. So plant stem cell there is, but they have no placenta, they have no cervicenta, they have no velvicenta. Okay, and then our product is consumable. It is not like a thing, okay, that they can only buy one time. So this is good in our business because it is consumable. And it is unique because right now, at this moment, only Pure Cheer is considered as the live stem cell inside the capsule. The rest of the stem cell products available in the market, okay, we don't know how they process, but our product right now in our 7th edition is processed into the modern technologies because of the science breakthrough. Okay, and because of this product, it can leverage. What does it mean? Okay, I consume the product. I purchase one set therapy because why one set therapy? Because I want that I would like to take the product for 6 months. Why 6 months? Because it regenerates new cells, and it a person, okay, to regenerate rather the internal organs inside the body, at least 6 months. So able to leverage. Maybe after 1 week, I tell my parents, I tell my friends, my neighbors, my relatives, my colleagues about the product. And so I talk about the product, and then these people will buy to the company. They get the product from the company. They become a member. So there is this leveraging. Now, this is our 6th edition. So it has 12 active ingredients, which is slowly fading now because coming up is the 7th edition. But okay, always remember that we only have one health product. Okay, for 10 years. Okay, for 10 years they only have one product. But I mentioned that right now Reway is already 15-year-old, going 16-year-old, because on the 10th year, the launching of the 6th edition, they also launched the beauty product, which is stem cells, mask and spray. Okay, more than 4 billion sales turnover in 10 years. But last June, in the 15th year, coming 5 years more, okay, we are now 40 billion US dollar company with only one health product. Okay, So we are now operating actually in 15 countries. And one of in our group, the DG36 Diamond Galaxy 36, the pioneer of the company, Tanyet Lee, Miss Tanyet Lee, she is 16 years in the market in Riway right now. She has group or team in 40 countries. And among the 40 countries, okay, Philippines is the biggest team in her group. Okay. And we're so proud of that, actually. So imagine 40 countries in her 16 years in Riway International. And there are already group in Lithuania. Okay, I got a message from this lady. I was not able to reply yet. Later after Zoom, okay, because she is in LinkedIn. Okay, so she messaged me there in LinkedIn. Okay, 4 days ago. I will reply later. All right. So now this is our 7th edition. Okay, what's the difference of the 7th edition? Okay. The 7th edition, instead of Dear Placenta, okay, they added, okay, the Cervicenta. Okay, Cervicenta from the female deer, and they wait for the female deer to give birth and then get the Cervicenta. So no killing of the deer. Plus, they also added the Velvecenta, okay, Velvecenta of course, male deer. And then they also added they got the strongest and the most, okay, effective, okay, species of white strawberry, or what we call that Noclaclavem, best for anti-inflammation, okay, termination of cancer cells like that, and so many more effect. And then the Axertone, addition of Axertone. So they're actually they enhance the white strawberry. Okay, they change placenta into Cervicenta, and then Velvicenta, and the Axertone plus the N-ginseng. Okay, the details of this is in our full presentation of opportunity product presentation, not today. Okay. Now, for you to know, because mostly of you in the room, okay, new, okay, new in Riway. So we started from 2008 in the first edition. We only have 6 ingredients, and then 2009 they added. Now in 2018, in the 10th year, it is already 5th edition. That's the 5th edition we got in the Philippines. Okay, in the 10 years of Riway International, they were only in 6 countries. After 1 month, they opened in Myanmar. After a year, they opened in Japan, and so on. Okay, more offices, more headquarters, and Riway International is fast growing in the whole world. So aside from health product, we also have beauty product, which is this what do you call this, mask. The mask uses 2 technologies, okay, that you don't need to use. You don't need to go to the salon, okay, to experience this what do you call this, the modern machine. Because I experienced that because of my melasma. They put the serum. I don't know what's the ingredients of serum from where, from what, okay, from the so many needles, okay, and prick that in my face, especially in the melasma area. Okay, even there is already blood because they have to prick it and put the serum in my face for how many sessions? 10 sessions like that. Then what's the effect? I didn't see much of the effect. But when I finish the 20 mask, okay, that's 1 box, 20 mask every other day in my face, all of the melasma actually almost gone. I mean, almost erased like that. That was during the pandemic COVID just inside the house. You see, so it has good effect. Plus, this one, okay, the effect of this mask is 10 minutes. Okay, in 10 minutes, all of the serum in the mask will go to your skin, and it will continue to work in your skin up to 72 hours. Okay, 72 hours. In 40 minutes, you can feel the tightening and the tightening of your skin. So here in the Philippines, okay, in Riway, okay, you can identify, okay, Riway people who are using stem cell mask. Sad to say, we cannot ship the product through courier, only by hand carry. No courier can accept this because of the serum, they call that like that. So it's only through hand carry. And take note, even the uneven skin due to acne, this one, okay, can help. And even the burned skin, our mask can help. Remember, the mask is stem cell and it also repairs glass skin, no wrinkles. My goodness. Anyway, I hope you can also experience that, guys. Now, by the way, the ingredients of mask, 27 patented ingredients, okay? And the ingredients combined from Japan, North America, and Europe. Okay. Now for our spray mist, there is this 24K gold from Sakoda powder from Japan. You have to shake until there's bubbles. There are bubbles, and spray it to your face. You can feel the tightening. And you know, with the modern technologies, okay, used in this stem cell mask, that's really effective. So here in the Philippines, the politicians, the celebrities, many of them are actually using our product. So you see, this is what you call, even in my salon, okay, I told them that even because we have this pink is for ladies and the black for men, but you can use both. Our CEO is using black in the morning mask and in the evening pink, like that. So there are so many testimonies about this that I can also send this to you. Okay, now they are not available online. So next P that we can enjoy in Riway, okay, is the procedure. This is just a simple and effective tools. If you have a gadget, please download an app of Riway Magazine. In Riway Magazine, okay, you can read magazine in the Philippines, magazine international, magazine in Europe, okay. You can see there that every quarter, those who are active earnings like this, you can see there in the magazine. You can also see there the trainings of our CEO. You can read everything about this and not how to sell the product, but how to become a better person, how to open your mind to set big goals, not only for yourself, not only for your family, but to those people who will believe in you. Okay, effective tools, magazine is one. So you can also use, okay, what do you call this, the rich and famous booklet. Okay, you can give that to your aspiring leader. Okay, you think she is really interested, but here we give it mostly to the doctors, okay, because they you know, they can understand more, and then they can see the difference of these stem cells compared to other products like that. Then also I also use the Facebook page of Riway International and Riway Philippines. So there are events there. I just show 1, 2, or 3 videos, short videos in the page, okay, to tell my prospect, to tell my client that this is Riway. Once you become a member of Riway, you take the product, you are you franchise in the company, you are in the company. This is what you're gonna experience. You can join some of the events of this company. simple duplication system. In the Philippines, okay, in all countries, of course, we only have one product presentation. Okay, if you are listening, okay, attentively, how an MC, because our CEO always play the role of a conductor or MC. You can see that their way of introducing the topic, their way of introducing the speaker is different. Okay, compared to other, outside of Relay like that. So we duplicate that. Also, how to present the product in 16 pages of opportunity product presentation. Okay, also made by our CEO, only 16. So people here, the speaker that are using the standard, okay, they don't talk outside of the topic. They only talk about that topic in a certain page of the slide. That's duplication system. No more addition, no more no additional like that. No more, no less like that. Another is the simple effective meeting. So in our team, we have meetings like this, we have product presentation like this, we have trainings like this, because the company is also giving trainings. Meetings for the team, meetings for the whole Relay country, meeting for the whole region of Relay, meeting for the international of Relay. Now, this is the magazine that I'm saying. Okay, you can also upload or download the app of Relay Magazine so that you can get updates every quarter. You can see and you can read in our magazine the direction of the company. So it talks like last quarter we are in this, and this remaining months of this year 2023, and for next year this is our plans. Okay, so as you know that stem cells is the secret of rich and famous, exclusive secret of rich and famous, and this is actually the book 1. When people, especially Filipinos, okay, they sent email to the author, Dr. Victor Shen, who is now based in Australia. And so, because the company was, printed this booklet, okay, and Dr. Shen didn't even know that. When Dr. Shen contacted the CEO, Relay, okay, he said that you have been using my book, okay, you've been using this knowledge, okay, printed this into material and use in your company, and now, okay, they found out that they had been 10 years best friends, our CEO and Dr. Victor Shen. Now, we have this what do you call this permit, okay? Dr. Shen permitted Relay International to publish, okay, his book. Okay, now in the book 2, we are now in book 2, and it is charging 300 pesos. 300 pesos per booklet, okay, in the book 2, but the book 1 is only 40 pesos. It's like cents of dollar. But in the book 2, since Dr. Shen asked for the royalty bonus, okay, it is doubled. It is actually times 8 this time, because Dr. Shen is getting the royalty bonus from the company. So this was in 2018. Okay, we were as small as this. In the year of 2018, the team in Rich, okay, people in front sitting, they are the team elites already during that time. So I was not yet team elite, that's why I was still standing at the back. So in Relay International, okay, it is how you, okay, manage your team, to grow your team. If the company is doing product presentation, you also do it on your own. If the company is doing the 6P greatest opportunity of the century, you can also do that. If the company is doing the marketing plan, you can also do that in your own team. This is what we call duplication system. So this was in Malaysia, okay, because we were there for 5 days. one for the whole day training, and then after that we have training of the training of the trainer, so that we can go back when we go back to our own group. Okay, we can also train our own group. So this is Riway International. Riway International, country per country top leaders meeting. In this meeting, it was only all about what do you call this? About team elites. Okay. If you are not team elite, then you cannot join the meeting. And the seating arrangement depends to when you join when you become team elite. If you are the last team elite to join, then you will sit at the last chair, last seat during the meeting. And this was in the Philippines, and in all countries they have. Now this coming November 1, since the CEO, for how many times he mentioned that there is no place in the world that can host the people of Riway because we are growing fast. Now they divided this into team by team. Country per country, no more international trainings. So last time, like 2 years ago, I think, 2 years ago, we were in Bangkok. Last year, we were in Bangkok. This time, Hanap. There are so many changes now in Riway International. So here, the challenge here, since this is 5,000 people in the DG36, we are required to have at least 5,000. So one is Raymond Tong. Okay, when he went to the Philippines with Alan Kang, he was Diamond 2 stars. Okay, he was Diamond 2 stars, and originally he was the translator of Eric Chok, our leader, and Alan Kang, because Alan Kang cannot speak English. And since his group in Kota Kinabalu, okay, was totally gone, all his team stopped, all his leaders stopped, and so he agreed with Alan Kang to come here to Philippines. And for 8 years, he built his team in the Philippines. Now, he has the biggest team in the whole Philippines. 80% of the members of Riway is under him, Raymond Tong. Take note, he was only Diamond 2 star when he started in the Philippines. Now he is Team Supreme Pegasus. And next is this Fu Min. He is from Myanmar. Okay, he will be bringing some of his leaders in the Philippines. And Tan Su Cham, he is the brother of Dan Yat Lee, the founder of DG36. And his father is one of the 4 old men the 4 old men whom Dr. Lim Bun Hong, okay, started his OVP. Okay. I saw his father in Zoom during the pandemic. He was already 81-year-old, but he looks like 50-year-old. And he said that all his children are already doing Riway, and he is now, it's like having a pension because of his accounts in Riway. So that's Riway. Now this one, si Keith Chi, I think he's from Malaysia also, and Jenny. Okay, so we have translators. So let me tell you, these 5,000 events, this is the first time of Raymond Tong to host the 5,000 events. So I will tell you this so that later on, okay, you have idea rather how to also hold the event. If one day Mr. Lim Bun Hong will say, Dr. Visna, you are going to hold your event in ex-Yugoslavia. So this is it. So Raymond Tong is preparing the teaser. It's like a video about the events like that for us to post in Facebook and to convince our prospects to join us. And the teaser video for 90 minutes cost him more than 1 cent. Amount of more than 1 cent. So that's so expensive. Another, one Pegasus was also assigned to print the ticket. 5,000 to 7,000 printed tickets to distribute to their own team. Another, we are also assigned to have this number, how to commit, how many people you are going to commit, 1,000 or 300 or 2 or 2,000 or 1,500 like that to commit for the event, because Mr. Lim Bun Hong will not do the conductor if we are less than 5,000. So you see the challenge plus the event. plus everything. So it's not easy to host the event. But this is now this is now Reway. Okay. So in here, the 5 topics, okay, from 5 people, the origin of Diamond Galaxy by Tan Su Cham, utilize our strength by Kit Chi, be the next big tree by Pupu Min because he's from Myanmar, and then the best arrangement by Raymond Tong and Stepping Out. Well, okay, you know, these people, they created big team, okay, in just a short period of time, not only in one country but in so many countries. And these people now will be our speakers, and that is even more than studying in Harvard, because we see the result from these people. Now in November, that was in November 1. So then in November 2, we are expecting a debrief from our team. And right after that, in November 6, okay, November 6, I will discuss pool, okay, I will assign leaders, okay, to do the greatest business opportunity of the century, which is part of the Reway system course. So I will choose, okay, 12 leaders, okay, to discuss topic Reway system course, and this will be 1-day training. 1-day training, whole day, and we will also what do you call this? We will do this hybrid, okay, face-to-face and Zoom. Okay, so that is Monday. So this one is a little bit sacrifice for Europe business partners like our Diamond 3-star Doc Visna and Evelyn, okay?
Yeah.
Will see. So that would be on Monday. I will finalize because the place here, okay, in our city is not yet ready. So maybe I can go to another city to find the place for this. So this is open for all. So see, it's because the 12 topics of Reway system course was already trained in May, 2 days. And in our own team, we were not able to have it up to now. And this is now the series of learnings, okay, on overall trainings of Reway. So in December 19, 2021, there is this in-house training. We will also try our best to do this online so that you can join us whether which part of the world you are. This is a 3 days full training. The 12, the Reway system course, the 12 topics, the marketing plan, how to conduct the meetings and all, and then structuring and how to fight for the rank, how to prepare ourselves. If in our NDO it says 2 years, maybe this time you can do it 6 months or 1 year to fight for the Team Elite Pegasus. Okay. When it comes to income and bonuses, Reway International give the highest. Okay, market competitiveness. The company gives up starting from 10%, 70% up to 80% Singapore dollar daily payout. The income is stable. Once you have one member or 2 members, every day, every week, every month, they continuously looking for people to join in Reway International. Your income also continues. Sustainable income, global connection. You are here in the Philippines, your market is all over the world. You are there in ex-Yugoslavia, in Serbia, your market is all over the world. We can use social media. We have Zoom to do trainings. We have Zoom to explain about the product. We can meet our clients in Zoom. It's all over the world. So you are in Belgium, you want to go out of your country, then you can use this Zoom. Okay, you can contact all over the world. But in our own country, even in the Philippines, it's not yet 1%, not yet. Still a big market. Now, here in Riway, we have this, what do you call this, rank. Okay, 1 star. Okay, if you hit diamond, the rank is in a month. It means you have 4 diamond accounts in the left, 4 diamond accounts in the right. Within the month, then you are diamond 1 star. Now, if you have 1 star in the left, 1 star in the right, then you are 2 stars. Okay, yellow stars, that is regular. By the way, the 1 star rank you can earn if your account is new. If you only have 1 diamond account, your income is like 3,000 US dollar, more or less. But if you are already, okay, been in Riway, you already build your team, your lines, your 1 star account can be almost 2 sets of the product, right? And it even increase. More lines you build, the points, the numbers, the points are just there. There is no expiration. That's the good thing in Riway International. So you can see your income every day. You can check your account every day. It's just all there. Right. And then blue star means that is rank up. So it happens like once a year only, rank up. You hit diamond 2 stars, and then you become 3 stars, and it is blue. It means rank up. Okay. Yeah. If you have 2, 3 stars under your account, you are already Pavo. 3 stars like that. So Pavo is a fight of 3 months. You're going to maintain it in the first month, second month, and 3 months. So 2 accounts of 3 stars. And to become Team Elite Pavo, it must be 3 months consecutively. And you add 2 more for Phoenix, it will become 5. Rather 4, 3 stars, and so on. 2 stars, 2 accounts until you reach the Pegasus rank, which I can guide you later on. Well, for Pegasus here in the Philippines, okay, because actually in Riway International is like this. Because every now and then I look at my tree, I look at my the points that every account that I have in Riway International, okay, it is, and it is like having a company, okay, with you have people, okay, all over the world, okay, and they are earning from Riway International. They earn, you earn. They don't earn, you don't earn also. That's the good thing with the compensation plan of Riway. And here to become, okay, to become Team Elite Pegasus, okay, you need at least 12 accounts under your name, 12 units that can hit 3 stars in 3 consecutive months. So how to do that? You are going to have at least 13 lines, 13 lines, to have their sales of 16 sets every line. And your earning is, how much is that? For the first month, maybe you can earn 100,000 US dollar, the lowest. Okay. So once you started earning in Riway, okay, you can experience what I am telling here, what I am saying here. You just invite people, okay, to join you or to franchise, and then you see your account, your income, RW, we call that, the following day Singapore time. All right. So we can have a separate meeting for that. Now, the next P, okay, that you can enjoy in Riway is potential. Later, okay, if you have time, you listen to the audiobook of Acres of Diamonds. Okay, you can take note. Acres of Diamond, you can listen to that in YouTube. Okay, now the potential market. Right now, okay, if you can see, this is actually not updated. Okay, global wellness economic status, statistics. So beauty and anti-aging businesses that falls into beauty and anti-aging. They are actually more than 1 billion. Right now, I think trillion. You see, in your area, how many aesthetic clinic, how many beauty and anti-aging products you can see in the shops, in the malls like that. So this is actually the biggest. And our company falls into this category, beauty and anti-aging. So we have reversing aging, pure cheer, plus our stem cell beauty set product. Now, if you look at it, okay, the company, okay, 5% only. Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Taiwan, the Philippines, Myanmar, Japan, Vietnam, not yet Korea and all. And then we still can go to Europe, we still can go to USA, Korea, Korea is already active right now, Korea and Japan. And you see the potential market in your own area. This is the world. In your own country, in your own city, how many of them, okay, how many of them didn't hear about Pure Cheer, didn't know about Reway yet? They are your market. And yeah, this was my to call this my slides when I was Diamond 3-star. Anyway, that the topic is still the same, and you can make your own as updated. But this 60, okay, you can also listen to this in our Reway system course, which is available in our what do you call this? In our dashboard. All right. Okay, Lilette and Shaw. What's the name? Sandra. Okay, can you turn on your camera so we can take photo? Let me turn off the recording.